Following the think phase of the CapEx roadmap, Haskell will help your company navigate into new territory. Phase 2, buying, includes detailing documentation of the assets to be delivered, securing the necessary external resources, and constructing, fabricating, buying, and installing the assets. These are Haskell's procurement components that represent the material acquisition of resources.
So on the buy side, we help customers procure large equipment centers for these EPC projects. Many times these come from overseas, and we are better positioned to procure those more efficiently. We can usually shorten the procurement process beyond what a customer can achieve with their own staff. We also have experts that understand how best to negotiate terms and conditions that are favorable for the customer.
The buying of processes and systems in this phase has been targeted, budgeted, and agreed upon among the identified stakeholders in the prior phase, thinking.
What we've got on our side, which is our competitive advantage, is the technical expertise and the experience running these kind of projects, more often than not greater than our customers. So that means we're prepared to have a greater risk tolerance than they would.
In this buy phase of the roadmap, there are several project milestones, including and not limited to providing detailed documentation of the assets to be delivered, securing the external resources required to deliver the assets, and the construction, fabricating, and purchase of all the assets.
Procurement does not equate to low bid. It really needs to holistically achieve the objectives that the project or the organization has set. And in the end, your future is usually just in the hands of a relationship.
Not only does Haskell have a history of being financially healthy, they've made smart decisions with strategic acquisitions that have enabled them to negotiate the best possible outcomes for their clients.
Customers are requiring a higher level of sophistication, specifically in the procurement section. To be able to offer a highly sophisticated procurement strategy and execution is key to enabling Haskell to grow within the space.
The reason we launched that strategic initiative to develop more of these capabilities in-house for process and packaging engineering was really listening to our customers and recognizing that they had a need for us to help them with the balance of the project.
Join us as we continue to navigate the CapEx roadmap. Once you've started your journey, Haskell will be your partner throughout each stage of the EPC process, thinking, buying, and building. Get the most out of your capital investment by asking Haskell how.